Hi, good day everyone. My name is Peter Nikwisang, and today I'll be discussing successful brands and a failing brand. First, the successful brand is Amazon. In the picture here, I'm looking at Amazon Prime. This is the logo that they have, if you remember. The company is 25 years old, founded in July 5th, 1994. And the failing brand is Sears. Sears is 133 years old, founded in 1893. The CEO is alive for Amazon, Jeff Bezos. Sears, of course, the CEO is no longer present, and leadership has changed over the many years. Looking at Amazon's success by building acquisition and investments, three notable acquisitions is Whole Foods, E8 Storage, and Arrow. Whole Foods is a supermarket, and now Amazon has since 2017, started delivering food products and as well aligning with their brand with Whole Foods. E8 Storage is dealing with flash content, flash storage, I mean, and what they do is they hold content for streaming. Eero is a company that deals with Wi-Fi. So Wi-Fi and of course streaming content go hand in hand. It makes it a success at Whole Foods. Amazon delivering foods makes that a success. Looking at their investments, first up is Cargojet and Deliveroo. Both investments are dealing with delivery. So in Cargojet, they have an aircraft that Amazon can use to deliver products across the country or around the world. Deliveroo as a service of boots on the ground, delivering the product to a person's house. Sears, in contrast, being a failure, they have no acquisitions, zero. The number of lead investors, they have one, and they deal with debt financing, which means Sears is in debt and they need to pay their monthly fee so they don't get a penalty to stay in business. So that's no good. Looking at their social media, Amazon, September 12th, September 8th, they're very active on Twitter. Amazon retweeted, TV about TV shows. When I look at the image, I'm looking at Netflix, Prime Video, which they own, Twitch, which they own, and this little advertisement below, Fire TV, which they own. If I look outwards, maybe this is a tablet by Amazon Fire Tablet. They could be watching their favorite shows, which Amazon would stream. Looking at the second tweet, CEO, Jeff Bezos, he's promoting content, Jack Ryan, a TV show on Amazon Prime Video. So they're very much in touch with their audience that enjoys streaming. Looking at Sears' Twitter account, the most recent tweets were February 6th. Both tweets were in the winter, and they're dealing with discount off appliances. And if I look at the image, I'm looking at two washing machines, and it's a parent. So they're looking at an older demographic, maybe a parent or an older person that needs a laundry machine. And these tweets are outdated because they're February, 7 months ago, and I don't know if these deals will still apply. And that's no good if they're trying to stay up to date with their audience. Going forward, when I look at Pew Research, you shop online, I look at the male and female demographic. Do you shop online? And 3/4 of the people, yes, we shop online. And do we prefer to shop online in stores? On the next poll, I see more than 3/4 of people still prefer to shop in stores. However, if it's easier and convenient, we're going to shop online. So I do appreciate your time and patience with my presentation, and I appreciate it. Thank you, and see you around.